Glow plugs are a starting aid on a diesel engine. And if you're replacing the glow plug, you want to follow basic standard safety practices, which is, make sure that the car can't start or the truck can't start while you're working on the glow plugs. And when you have a glow plug like this guy right here, it's going to have a single wire attached to it. You just want to remove that wire, put a wrench or a socket on it, thread it out of the cylinder head, and when you remove it, you put the other one in, put a little bit of thread sealer on here, but don't use very much. I would recommend not using any at all because it gets its ground through the cylinder head through these threads. So power goes in here, it grounds here, and having current pass through it makes this very tip glow cherry red. One of the problems you may have with the removal is when glow plugs fail, this tip tends to expand, and it can actually expand to where it's bigger than the hole that it went in. So a lot of times these will break off inside the cylinder head when you're trying to remove them. And if that's the case, you're basically the best option out of all of them is to remove the cylinder head to get this piece out of your cylinder so it doesn't cause damage. But if you're lucky, all your glow plugs will come out and you'll just be able to pull them right out, put the new one in, and just snug it down and put the wire back on it. These are fairly easy to replace, but they often get replaced unnecessarily because of a glow plug relay failure. You can always jump the glow plug relay to see if the problem is the relay or the glow plug.